Hi there, I am Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection. I'm here with my friend, Diane Lucas of the Integrity Home Selling team. Did I get it right?
Yep.
Diane has been with us for quite a while. She's done many inspections with us, and one of the things that's unique about her and her team is they have really gone all in on the pre-listing inspection side of things. So I wanted to take a minute, ask her about that and why she's made that such a big part of her business.
Okay. Well, about 3 years ago, we started realizing that we're not doing a good service to our sellers by allowing a contract with an inspection contingency, because the buyer could walk at any time. So we started doing pre-inspections on all of our listings. And so for the last 3 years, since we started doing inspections with Mountains of Sounds, we have not sold a house with an inspection contingency. This year, we closed 51 houses. None of them had inspection contingencies. So we're able to do that because of the great inspections that we get from Brandon and his team.
Great, awesome. That's actually really awesome to hear.
Yeah.
It's such a big deal to be able to not have to, have that in contingency.
Yep.
What has been your experience with using Mountains of Sound, and why do you keep coming back to us?
We do keep coming back to you. You're right. And we have used a lot of inspection companies over the years. We've been in business for 30 years. But one reason is because you're so dependable. I know if I absolutely have to have an inspection tomorrow, somehow you guys make it happen. And I'm been so grateful so many times. I also like how easy the inspection report is to read. I like the summary features. Mm-hmm. When we're doing a listing, we always include the full inspection, but also the summary with all the notes of the things that my clients have fixed. That's really important, and I've had other agents tell me that that was a really key part of their buyer accepting without an inspection contingency. And I also like, if I have a question, your inspectors call me back and they make little modifications if we need to make little changes. And so it's just easy, and easy is what everybody is after.
Right. Mm-hmm. That's great. Thanks for sharing that. And then last question for you, if there's anybody else out there, any other agents, whether they're in your office or here in the area, they're not completely happy with their inspection process, what would you say to them about us and maybe how we could help them?
Well, before I started working with you, I had someone I loved working with, and he moved out of the area, so I had to try different inspectors. And I would just suggest there are a lot of companies out there, and you're not helping your clients any if you don't try to find the best person for the job. So I would recommend that they give you a call and at least give you a try.
Sure, we're always happy with that.
I also want to say, I don't know if you remember this, one of the first times I used you was with a seller that something was missed. It was for a buyer, sorry. And something was missed in the house that was pretty important. And at closing, the buyer sent me a picture and said, "Diane, is it supposed to look like this?" I said, "No." And I called you and you said, "You know what, we missed that." And you guys fixed it. You brought somebody in, you took care of it. I mean, it has never happened since. Yeah. That was 3 years ago. But to me, it was like, you don't know how good someone is until something goes wrong. Yeah. And then when something goes wrong and they make it right, I'm your customer from that point forward, because I know I can count on you even when things don't go perfect, because they don't always go perfect. Mm-hmm. So that meant a lot to me, and that is one of the main reasons I've always stayed with you.
Well, thanks for sharing. That was awesome.
Yeah.
We love working with her and her team. Obviously, anybody watching this, we would do the same exact thing for them too. So, again, Diane with Integrity Home Team and Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection. We'll see you soon.